There was a season that you held the pen too tight, writing your own story chapter by chapter, trying to make the plot make sense before you ever asked the author what he had in mind. You built a love out of what you thought was owed to you, called it real because it was familiar, called it right because it was close, called it forever because you were scared what would happen if you let go. But your body knew before your mind caught up. Your chest would tighten even though you said you were fine. Your shoulders carried a weight you kept saying was normal. That was your nervous system keeping score, holding the receipts your mouth wasn't ready to say out loud. Breaking away from what wasn't yours felt like a war in your own skin. The fight or flight didn't know the difference between danger and freedom. Both felt like the floor was moving. So you stopped writing for a while, sat in the quiet, and let God have the pen back. You asked him who you were underneath the role you'd been playing. Asked him what you were called to, not who you were called to be next to. That's where the real work started. You weren't healing so you could be next to somebody, but you were healing so you could finally meet yourself. Sacred love isn't soft. It's a standard. It's loving yourself so fiercely, so completely, that peace stops being a negotiation. It's knowing who you are before anyone gets to ask. It's understanding your assignment on this earth has never been about being chosen by a person. It's being chosen by yourself first. So, when God writes somebody back into your story, it won't be because you were empty and needed filling. It will be because your love for yourself grew so large, so unshakable, so unapologetic, that anything less than that kind of love simply cannot even fit through the door. Sacred love means you would rather be alone in peace than accompanied in diminishment. It means the next chapter can only be written by someone who can love you at the size that you love yourself. That's sacred love. God is the author, and you are finally not fighting him for the pen.